Here's his second Hunter Leighton ceiling fan that I got off of Craigslist. I got this one along with the other one that I just posted. And this one has a slight issue. Since Hunter wanted to kind of be a pain, they stuck a lot of tags, a lot of stickers on this fan. I don't know why. I'll show you in a second. But since they did that, there are a lot of them inside of the motor. There's 3 of them right there I pulled off. And there's one of them that just fell. But yeah, so since a lot of them are inside of the motor, another one, when they would fall off, because the stickies are very weak, they would go actually inside of the Air Max motor, and they would become stuck there. And that's what happened with this one. So when it turns on, you hear the sound of a sticker scraping around in the motor. So yeah, I tried getting it out, but it just doesn't work. So here's the light. This one's from the same week as the other one, the 35th week of 2005. There's that. There's low speed. You could definitely hear that. Again, it hums, but it's a decent amount of air for what it is. Medium. I didn't put the chain extensions on this one. Could definitely hear that. Okay, now it just stopped. I don't know why. Perhaps it fell out? I don't know. That's good. Oh, well, I guess this one doesn't have any issues anymore. The tag just stopped clicking. That's good. It's high. It has some better blade alignment than the other one. Again, this one has some chipping on the blades. Otherwise, it's in decent shape now since the clicking stopped. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.